Sinan Goodcat CNC Machinery Company Limited. Manufacturer CNC router, fiber laser cutting machine, welding machine, cleaning machine, marking machine, CO2 laser machine, plasma cutting machine, wood lift machine, 3D scanner. We have dozens of research and development patents and certificates. Machine's quality is best. We are looking for agents from all over the world. Please contact us. We also welcome terminal customers. The meaning of Goodcat brand: good quality, good price, good service. Good quality. 25 engineers with more than 10 years rich working experience manufacture high-precision machines. 3 days, 72 hours testing machines inspection. After confirming that the machine has no any quality problems, then it will be shipped. 4 QC staff do strict evaluations on incoming inspections, in-process inspections, final machine inspections. Good price. Goodcat manufactures about 200 sets of machines per month with a large sales volume. We have long-term cooperation with parts suppliers, can get advantageous prices of parts so that the price of the machines is very competitive. Goodcat aims to develop long-term cooperation with each new and regular customers and to give customers the best prices with the most sincere attitude. Good service. All machines with warranty, free parts replace, repair, maintaining. English manual and video for machine using and maintaining, explaining the operation steps in detail. Professional after-sales service staff, providing 24 hours online service, provide free technical training and factory field operation teaching to eliminate customers' worry.